The following segment is sponsored by Cobb Realty.
It's an exciting time in the real estate market and an exciting time for Cobb Realty, winners of our finest real estate company in the four-state area. And here to accept the award is Madison Marietta. Congratulations, Madison.
Hey, thank you so much. We really appreciate this award.
You guys do a great job. You have a great reputation in the four states. What is it specifically about Cobb Realty that may set you apart from some of your competition?
You know, I think we just have a really awesome group of agents here. We have about 9 agents, and some of us are licensed in both Kansas and Missouri. And, you know, our agents are from around the area. They've been here a while. They know the area. They're really dedicated to the community, and they're super proud of what they do. Our new slogan is "Your property, our priority," and I think that's something we've just really taken a lot of pride in.
I love that, Madison. Great information. Congratulations again. Make sure you contact Madison or any of the other fine folks at Cobb Realty. Congratulations.
The preceding segment was sponsored by Cobb Realty.